So we've got this really nice explosion in Godot now. We've got an expanding ball, we've got a bunch of particles coming out of it, but I don't want it to happen at the start of the game. I want it to happen when my ball reaches the goal. So I'm going to delete this example copy that I've been experimenting with, and I'm going to instantiate a copy in my goal script. I'm going to go to scripting, and I've already got this script that checks that my ball has touched the goal. Right now I'm just deleting the ball and adding to my score, but we're also going to instantiate an explosion. You've instantiated stuff before in 2D. We want to get a reference to the explosion scene. So I'm going to create a variable called explosion scene, and it's going to be preloaded. So my explosion scene is in resources, and it's called explosion.tscene. That will load my scene, ready for me to make a bunch of copies of it. And then in here, if I've deleted the ball and added to my score, I'm going to create a new explosion. Explosion is going to use my explosion scene and instantiate a copy of that explosion. Then I just need to make sure that it's spawning at the correct spot. So I'm going to set explosion.global position to be the same as my body's global position. Body being the ball that has just entered the goal. And then I need to add the explosion as a child. In the 2D version of this, you'd do something like get parent, and then add a child to that parent. But again, I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to be in my tree when I do this, so I'm going to go all the way to the top of my tree. I'm going to write get tree, and then I can get the current scene. And that's what I'm going to add the explosion to. Add child explosion. And then no matter where I actually am in the scene tree, I'll be adding the explosion to the current scene. That should be all the code for this. Now, my ball should go through the goal. I might help it along a little. When it touches the goal, it explodes! Fantastic.